Samsung has launched its new entry-level smartphone under A series in Indonesia called Galaxy A07. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy A07 features a tall 6.7-inch HD+ display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy A07 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, and 64, 128, or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with One UI 7 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 6 years of OS and security updates. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.4 by 77.4 by 7.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 184 grams. So now let's break down the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy A07 has been priced in Indonesia as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in black, green, and light violet color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A07 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.